Welcome back to Windows Fixer. If you're dealing with Valorant issues or missing files, this quick method might save your time and get you back into the game without reinstalling everything. So in today's fix, we've provided two OneDrive links down below in the description. These contain all the necessary files that you'll need to fix your Valorant if it's not launching, crashing, or showing missing file errors. Now, once both files are downloaded, you need to extract them in the same folder. It's important that both of them are placed together before extracting. You can use tools like WinRAR or 7-zip, whichever you're comfortable with. After extracting, you'll get a bunch of files inside one folder. These are meant to be copied directly into your Riot Games installation folder, specifically where your Valorant files are located. To get there, simply open your C drive, then go into the Riot Games folder, open Valorant, then Live, and that's your destination. Just paste all the files right there and choose Replace If Asked. This process basically restores the files that might have gotten corrupted or gone missing during an update or crash. So instead of downloading gigabytes of data again, you're only pasting the missing or broken bits. All the required links, including both OneDrive parts, are already listed clearly down in the description. Just make sure to follow the order and place both parts in the same folder before extracting. Once done, go ahead and launch Valorant. If everything went right, the game should run normally without throwing any annoying errors. If you still run into issues, drop your question in the comments and I'll try to help you out personally. Thanks for watching Windows Fixer. Don't forget to like the video if it helped and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Catch you in the next one.
Huh? Sure what? Oh my god.
Spike down, C.
Bring them down.
Results. Enemy remaining. Spike down, C. Enemy remaining.
Hard. Yeah.
Drop in a smoke.
You have it.
No bother.
One more.
Spike planted.
One backside.
Have one of these.
तेरा smoke है एक backside. Two backside now info about Sage. Could be coming back from each other.
Critical
Backside
hit.
Last player standing.
Smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Had your fun. My turn.
One enemy remaining.
Four in the dark.
Let's fucking go!
I'll see you in a minute.
Shit!